Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over the Jasper.ai intro creator. There's plenty of ways you can do this, but this is more specifically going to be for a blog post or article. You can use it for a YouTube video if you want, but I'm going to be doing a separate video when it comes to the introduction and the rest of a video script. If you'd like to follow along, feel free to click the link down in the description. And if you do that, you can get a free trial with some bonus words for testing out Jasper. Let's begin. So here are the three different sections you can do for intros. There is going to be the one-shot blog post. You get an intro with that, but you get pretty much everything else. I just want to focus on the blog post intro paragraph here and show you a way that you can expand upon it with using the template. So here I have it in another tab. And in case you're new to Jasper, you may be, you may not be, that's fine. All you need to do is answer the stuff on the left side. So for this blog post title, usually as randomly, I like talking about golf. I used to play a ton of it since I'm in Florida. But why golf is the hardest sport to master, which I absolutely do believe. Very challenging sport. Audience here, we're going with golfers. Pretty basic, right? Tone of voice is casual. I've been doing a lot of casual lately. Let's keep this in English and let's generate and see what we get. And I really like this, how it says blast through writer's block by letting Jasper write your opening paragraph. I truly do believe that it's because the intro is usually the first thing you do when it comes to an article, right? So when you can get this down, it's going to help you to flow much nicer. And of course, once you have the paragraph down, you can go to like the bullet points or like the different subheadlines. Let's look at the top one. So playing a round of golf is like nothing else. It's an incredibly challenging, rewarding, and enjoyable experience, but make no mistake about it, golf isn't for the faint-hearted. I like that line. That's a good one. Even experienced players struggle to stay consistent on the course because mastering the sport requires focus, patience, dedication, and skill. Every shot presents different obstacles and conditions that must be overcome in order to hit the ball at its intended destination. So why exactly is golf one of the most difficult sports out there? Well, let's explore some of those reasons today. That is a really good one. I mean, you can look at this quickly if you want to pause that. I'm just going to go with that just because it's great, okay? So there we are, done. Thank you for watching. That's the video, okay? Literally, it is that easy to create an introduction, but something I know someone might come up with as well. What if I want it a little bit longer? That's completely fine. What we can do is always expand upon the content that we create using the paragraph generator. I think this is one of my favorite templates that they have just because it's so flexible. You can put anything in there and then just continue on with this. So once again, we're going to do just say golf. Right? Keywords to include. And what is your paragraph about? So we want this to be a continuation. So usually if I want to stretch out a previous paragraph, I'm looking for something where Jasper can kind of embellish on it a little bit more. So for example, let's see, every shot presents different obstacles and conditions that must be overcome in order to hit the ball at its intended destination. So if I was to just copy this and put it here, every golf shot, okay? The reason I put golf in there, I talk about this a lot. The more specific you are with Jasper, the better results you're going to get. This is true with any other AI software I've used. The better, the more clarity you have, better results overall. Because if I put every shot presents different obstacles in order to hit the ball, I mean, I guess you could do baseball. You're hitting a ball right in the intended destination. You want to hit it over the fence. It could be that, right? You know, anything else where you're hitting a ball, it could be mini golf for all we know, right? That could be something. There's a lot of obstacles there. So now that I have golf there, it's going to give it a little bit more of, know-how, I guess you could say. Let's generate and see what we get. If it's not good enough, that's completely fine. We can switch it around and then go from there, but one step at a time, right? Okay, this is hilarious. I forgot I did a video talking about how to create content in French. This is how you do it, okay? And the output was still there. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm just going to copy this and translate it just to see what we got there. Give me one sec. So we have French to English, and just to kind of show you how good Jasper can be when it comes to other languages, if you're curious about that, I have plenty of videos. One, I talk about the languages. One is Spanish, one's Italian, one's French. Anyway, golf is a game that offers immense challenge with every stroke. Each shot presents a unique set of obstacles, whether it's rough terrain, changing winds, or other elements. To successfully reach your destination, you must assess the course conditions and choose the right club and angle to make adjustments. Golf is a true exercise in problem solving, as every shot represents a test of skill and strategy. It's an endless battle of finesse, power, and luck. With hard work, practice, and dedication, you can put yourself in the best position to hit your target with every shot. All right, so that was literally flawless. I love that. Let me copy this. It's like it's so good I don't even want to do more content. I'm just going to open it up in Notepad. I'm going to copy and paste it there so it doesn't get all funky when I paste it over here. So what I want to do is just kind of see where I can add this in here. Probably somewhere around here. Immense challenges. Sure. every shot presents and hit the ball in 10. So this is kind of the same thing. So I can actually delete that. Presents a unique set of obstacles to reach you must. So this comes down to how much you actually want to put here. So you could probably delete some of this, add a little bit more, because obviously you're going to be talking more about that in the sub headlines. With hard work and dedication, you could put yourself. So I'm actually going to take this out. This seems like it would be good at the end. And then I'm going to put that there. So just like that, we now have our bigger introductory paragraph. So that is just an example of how you can really expand upon things. Usually for me, I don't like keeping my introductions very long. I mean, it's the same thing with videos. It's like, hey, welcome to this video. This is what I'm doing. If you want to test out Jasper, let's begin. I've always been more of straight to the point. So for me, I wouldn't want an introduction or paragraphs to look like this. You know, it's just like, let's get to the good stuff already. But that's just my opinion. So you can make it as long as short if you want. But the paragraph generator is going to allow you to do that, given the fact you actually put it in English and not French. Okay, so that's how you can use the introduction template and, of course, expand upon it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you want to test out Jasper and kind of do what I just showed you, my link will be down below in the description. That comes equipped with a free trial and many bonus words. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully, it's not in French.